English shorthand 80 words per minute. Students, ready for dictation. If we want to understand the process of income generation, we will have to study a circular flow of income and the various steps thereof, which illustrate as to how income is created and how it is disposed of. For this purpose, let us assure a similar economy with only two sectors, that is, the household sector and the business sector. The household sector supplies the productive services, receives remuneration for these services, and spends the income thus received to consume the output produced in the economy. The business sector, on the other hand, is engaged in the process of the production. It employs the various factors of production, land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. These factors have to be paid according to their contributions to production in the form of rent for land, wages for labor, interest for capital, and profit for entrepreneurship. Whatever is paid out in this process appears as cost to the producers who employ the various factors of production, while the same occurs as income to the factors and the households supplying those factors. Thus, the expenditure of the business sector as incomes of the factors of production, since the amount of factor remuneration, that is rent, wages, interest, and profit, is nothing other than the cost of production of the output. The factor incomes must add up to the total value of the output produced. Hence, we can say any amount of the output produced in value terms creates an equal amount of income in the economy. The sum of the income of various factors of production is the cost of production of output produced. Once again, incomes are generated, which are they spent on buying goods and services by the household sector and come back to the business sector in the form of its revenue. This circular flow goes on and on, period after period. Thank you.